So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Mullen Automotive put options here in Canada, ticker symbol MULN, using the Wealthsimple mobile application. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, go to the bottom left here and press on the magnifying glass. So for me right now, I have the options tab open up. If you want to go ahead and press on more right here, so where it says most active symbols, press on more. You can go 5 options down and press on Mullen Automotive, so ticker symbol MULN, or what you can do, probably a little bit simpler as well, just get out of this tab, go to the search bar here at the top and type in ticker symbol MULN to bring up Mullen Automotive Inc. You can go ahead and press on that. Now you can go ahead and press on buy and then press on where it says options. Now if you wanted to buy some put options on Mullen Automotive, you have to make sure that at the top here it says I believe that MULN, so Mullen Automotive, will rise by. Press on where it says rise and change that to where it says put option right here, so that it'll change it to fall. So go ahead and press on put option, and now it actually says it's going to fall. So if you want to do that, you can press on the date that you wish to have these options expire by. So if you press on September 22nd, you can change that to whatever date you wish to buy this put option for. Now, at the bottom here, you can tell a whole bunch of different options choices I have to choose from. So if you wanted to do an out of the money strike price of $0.50, you can go ahead here and press on that, and then simply go to the bottom and press on buy, and there you go. That is how you guys can buy some Mullen Automotive ticker symbol MULN put options here in Canada using Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.